To connect the hose, turn the power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the solution tank and set it on the floor, not on the furniture, and remove the hose from the back of the cleaner. Lower the handle to the floor and remove, empty, and replace the dirty water tank. With the lid off the dirty water tank, lift the front panel up 1 inch and pivot forward until it is horizontal with the floor. Then, insert the hose converter so it is properly aligned in the channels and press firmly into place. Carefully hinge and close the lid. Any gaps or misalignment will cause a loss of suction. Connect the solution tube by inserting the black tabs on the collar firmly into the upholstery and stair cleaning connection inlet. Note: older steam vac models have tanks that require the front panel to be completely removed to connect the hose. Be sure to properly align the front panel when replacing it. Any gaps or misalignment will cause a loss of suction. Put the cleaner back into the upright position and refill the solution tank if needed. Next, turn the power on, lower the hose end, and squeeze the trigger to prime the pump. Attach the hand tool to the hose end by sliding it over the locking tab, and you're ready to clean upholstery or carpeted stairs. Click on the next video for tips on cleaning carpeted stairs and upholstery.